Welcome to CSS Cleaning. In this video we will show you how to deep clean your bedroom. Keep watching, follow our step-by-step guide, and you will have bedrooms that stay beautifully clean and fresh. The bedroom is our sanctuary, a place of rest and rejuvenation. Keeping this space clean and organized contributes to better sleep quality and overall well-being. While regular tidying is important, periodically deep cleaning your bedroom helps eliminate allergens, dust, and accumulated dirt. Step 1. Declutter and organize. Begin by decluttering your bedroom. Remove any items that do not belong or are no longer needed. Clear surfaces such as nightstands, dresses, and shelves. Sort through clothes and accessories, donating or discarding those you no longer wear. Organize items in designated storage areas such as closets and drawers. Step 2. Dust surfaces, furniture, and light fixtures. Start by dusting surfaces using a microfiber cloth or a duster. Dust all furniture, including dresses, nightstands, and shelves. Pay special attention to the tops of furniture, picture frames, lamps, and decorative items. Consider using a soft brush attachment on your vacuum cleaner to reach crevices and remove dust from upholstered furniture. Pay attention to handles, knobs, and switches, as they can accumulate dirt and oils. Wipe down light fixtures and ceiling fans to remove dust and cobwebs. Ensure that all light bulbs are clean and in working order. Step 3. Vacuum and refresh mattress. Vacuum the mattress thoroughly to remove dust mites, dead skin cells, and other allergens. Use a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment for this task. Flip or rotate the mattress to even out wear if needed. To refresh the mattress, sprinkle baking soda over the surface, let it sit for a few hours, and then vacuum it up. Step 4. Launder bedding and curtains. Wash all bedding, including sheets, pillowcases, and duvet covers, following the care instructions. Consider using a hypoallergenic detergent to minimize any potential allergens. Vacuum or launder curtains, drapes, or blinds according to their specific requirements. Clean or replace pillow protectors and mattress covers as necessary. Step 5. Clean windows and mirrors. Clean windows and mirrors using a glass cleaner or a mixture of vinegar and water. Wipe down the glass surfaces using a microfiber cloth or a lint-free cloth to achieve a streak-free shine. Pay attention to corners and edges. Consider cleaning windowsills and frames as well. Step 6. Address flooring and carpets. Vacuum or sweep the bedroom floor to remove any loose dirt or debris. Pay attention to corners and under furniture. For carpeted areas, vacuum thoroughly to eliminate dust, dirt, and allergens trapped in the fibers. Consider steam cleaning or hiring professional carpet cleaning services for a deep cleanse. Step 7. Freshen the air and bedding. To keep your bedroom smelling fresh, consider using a linen spray or essential oil diffuser with relaxing scents. Open windows to allow fresh air to circulate. Sprinkle baking soda on the carpet before vacuuming to absorb any lingering odors. Consider using air purifiers to improve air quality and reduce allergens. Remember to maintain regular cleaning routines and practice good organization habits to keep your bedroom a peaceful and rejuvenating sanctuary.